স্টার্ট কর।
হাঁটো হাঁটো, ভিডিও ভিডিও স্টার্ট।
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the next vlog, which is the Rovaniemi vlog. So in the last one we saw that we took a bus from Kaukslauten Arctic Resort to Rovaniemi, which was about I think 3 hours or 4 hours trip, and we reached Rovaniemi in the evening and checked into our hotel room. And this was a small but functional room with 2 twin beds and a washroom and a TV. It was clean and it was right in the city center. And then this happened. And then the next 2 hours went enjoying ourselves in the snow.
হ্যাঁ এইটা তুমি আমাকে কেন করতে পারছো না, আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, কাট করতে হবে তোকে জাস্ট। তুমি সোজা হয়ে থাকবে, তুমি সোজা হয়ে থাকবে।
স্টার্ট কর
করে
কর 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 স্টার্ট কর। এই মাত্র শুরু হলো, রাইট নাও তুমি ব্যাগ গুছাবার সময় তো হয়নি।
In Santa's village, once you reach, you can do a lot of activities like crossing the Arctic Circle and then obviously meeting Santa Claus, and then you can do husky sledging, but that was closed during the time we went. And then you can also visit Mrs. Santa's house, and you can also go on a reindeer ride.
I've crossed the Arctic Circle.
And then we went to see Santa Claus, and this is his house, and I was getting kind of nervous, I don't know why. Now, entry to the house was free of cost, but once you take videos and photos with Santa, then you'll have to pay some amount, and for a digital copy of both photo and video it was around 55 euro if I'm not wrong, and if you take a physical copy it was 40 euros.
Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Okay, how are you today? Here. Would you like to sit down here?
Yes.
Right there. You come from India?
Yes.
Where from India?
Kolkata.
You too, on the eastern side. Yes. I hope you enjoy it here, and I hope you look around the whole village and do all the fun things.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Santa's Village.
And then we came back to the hotel and packed our bags and left for Helsinki, which was an overnight train ride. And with that the vlog comes to an end. Follow for more. Until next time, bye bye.